Alright guys, we're going to take one of our new batteries out for a rip. Our sponsor Cnhl sent us some smaller Lipos. That's 1500 mAh 3S. We're going to do our first spin with the you're squawking over there, with a 1500 mAh 3S XT connector running on our Dt02 smaller battery, so I want to put the battery tray back together. Some batteries fit better than others. This thing's gonna fit perfect. It'll put some tension on the door so it's not flopping around. We're running with our pink can, I believe. Nope, we're running with a Mabuchi Classic. It's old school 87, I think. And we're running with our Dumbo and our 80 amp ESC ZZ8080. Fits in there nice and snug. It's not going nowhere. Gonna need one more body mount though. We'll get it rolling. Let me grab one real quick. Nope. All right. So yeah, we got these batteries in today. I just want to take them out for a quick run. I'll get these out for a speed run probably later in the week, Thursday or whatever. And we're gonna try 2S with either that, probably the EMBT. So keep your eye out for that. Ooh, so nice. Just get a gauge. Didn't get the blower out. It's kind of impromptu before dinner rip. I gotta start dinner in a minute. Oh, there's a screw. You see, from last time we moved the big ramp, maybe I'll have enough lack of fear to hit that girl for the first time. I'm not sure it's in the right spot. So hopefully everybody's having a good week so far. It's election day, make sure to get out to vote. I'm not sure this video is going to go up before it batters. So. Okay, so we definitely got the room. Ooh, well, another barrel roll. Getting pretty good at those guys. I think we're gonna have some fun learning tricks on this ramp. That's not a bad placement. I think that might work. Hopefully my video's coming out. Hopefully it don't turn off. I didn't have a lot of space left. That's almost perfect landing. So, something to keep an eye on with these Tamiyas for those guys that run a lot. When you're hitting these jumps and stuff, every time you're done, you gotta go back over them screws because they do work out. The Tamiya plastic's weird like that. I'm fighting the leaves today, guys. Oh. Now we've had problems with this shock before. So it looks like one of them lands, popped their spring right out. And all the power broke the glue, so we'll still run it. We just won't hit the big jump no more. It'll still run. A little more unstable, but wonder where the spring went. Maybe I'll find it when I do the leaves. So, plenty of power, going pretty long already. I'll keep going for a little bit just to get some juice out of this. Wheeling. Oh, there's a duck. One of the kids must have left that. Anyways, hopefully you guys dig. Pretty excited about these batteries. We'll get another run out after dinner. Got to find some parts to fix the shocks. There's the CVAs. These are my worst set. I've had problems with that bottom. I think I even put in a piece that wasn't quite right for it, so it's probably more my fault than anything else. Not fixing it proper, but it is what it is. Don't have a store to fill my parts. So fun. Even dragging the chassis. Old school cool. That's what I think about Tamiya. Old school cool. So with that, I think we'll call it a day. Like and subscribe, guys. Hopefully you dig. We'll get another car out. Woo, buddy. I bet she's a little warm. Let's see where the shock came apart. We'll have to get that fixed. We'll have to get that fixed. Anyways, like and subscribe, guys. Hopefully you dig. Let's see how hot this was. It's not bad. I got my hand right on it. Ooh, that's hot though. Motor's hot. So yeah, battery's not warm. It's in good shape. Barely moved. Good job. So yeah, check them out. Just the link will be in the description. These are the 3S. They also have a 2S version. They're both 1500s. These are nice sizes, especially for like this guy, which will probably be what we use next. Fit right in there. That'd be nice. All right, I'll see you when I see you guys. Peace.